Hello everybody and welcome to my new YouTube channel, Adobe Media Tutorials, here on YouTube. So, well, this is about Adobe Flash. I will use Adobe Flash CS4. You can use every version you want, because today I'm going to show you how to use the keyframes and how they work. Just gonna open up. Sorry, my computer is lazy sometimes. So now, first we're gonna start off by clicking File and New Project, and we are going to choose Flash File ActionScript 2.0, like that. So as you can see, we got this screen, we got our toolbar, and we got this little timeline down here. So yep, now I'm going to show you how keyframes works. So if we start by clicking here, as you can see, this is a little frame here. Those frames with a little circle in the middle, like that one, is a keyframe. What keyframes is actually, they tell us when it's a new picture appears. So I'm going to demonstrate. So if I'm making a box, you can see that the keyframe became gray and black. So now we can actually extend the keyframe by clicking maybe frame 50. It doesn't matter how long you want it. So let's take frame 40. Then I'm going to right click, and you are going to select insert keyframe. As you can see, it becomes much longer, and now it's another keyframe here on frame 40. So but if you want, you can also do it like this. If we delete this, you can click, hold and drag and highlight, right click and select remove remove frames, because you cannot select the delete button, because if you do that, the image will be gone. So if you want to change that, hold down Control and C, like that. So yep, and if you want to just extend your frames a little longer without making a keyframe, like that, you're going to click somewhere like 40 and press F5 on your keyboard, like that. As you can see, it becomes longer and there's no keyframe at the end. This little white little box at the end that's actually, that doesn't matter. It just tells you that this is the end of the keyframe. So if you want to make a new keyframe, you can also just go to a frame and press F6 on your keyboard, instead of go here and insert keyframe and stuff. It goes faster if you do that. So if we now click on this frame 60 or whatever you done, and pressing the delete button, you can see that this keyframe became white again, and this part is still gray. So that means here's the picture and here's nothing. So let's extend this frame 2 by clicking on 120 and press F5. Now if we paint something else, like a circle, I will show you how to change by rectangles and circles later sometime, like that. And we go back to the first frame. You can preview this by clicking enter on your keyboard like this. There you go. This is actually the most basic stuff you will be using in Flash, the keyframes, very important. So yeah, you can just keep doing this. That's just a basic thing you can do. I'll be back with more tutorials, more advanced, like how the rectangles work, how the lines work, the text tool, how to really animate something. And some special effects like making a man walking or something like that. So, yep, that's it. See ya.